Caleb's Amazing Adventures. Today I'm going to show you this big Titanic ship. I built this about, I don't know how many days ago was it again? Probably about 3 or 4 days ago, and I like build this. This one is the Titanic. Call it again. It was the biggest ship what was ever built back in the day, but unfortunately it got sunk by an iceberg. Unfortunately, they said it was unsinkable, and then they did the wrong thing. Actually, they said that it's unsinkable, but then it sunk. Obviously, I used to. If you remember the Titanic Museum, if any of you are new, there's a Titanic video of mine, and it was at a museum in Ireland, because it was obviously built at Ireland and came at England, but we're here in the small island. But the ship is the most biggest and widest one I've built. I've also got a Lego video. Remember Lego? I love Lego. It's the best thing you can get. And you remember, I couldn't build any of it. Mum built all the sets. And now look at this thing. I built it all by myself. I imagine it. I think, what does a ship look? I thought, what does a ship look like? So thankfully, I've got all the pieces. It's not about the color. It might be not the color of the ship and that, but it looks like the ship. It looks completely like the ship. So you can't see it's like 4 funnels. Guess what? Got the engine room at the bottom here, and then I've got 2 propellers at the back. Can you see this red one? So hopefully I could get 2 propellers. I don't think the camera can see it, the white one, but you can see the red one. And then I've got like loads of Lego boxes, you know, it's ridiculous. Loads of Lego. I've got about 4 Lego boxes, but full of lots. So here's like the crane thing. I used it for a crane once, but then that broke, and then guess what I've got? I've got a police guy here. And I've got army guy. I can't find his helmet. I don't know where it is. Right, what is it? Look at that flag head. That's funny. That, and then so these ships, I love ships. It's just so cool. It's like awesome stuff. So it's not about the outside. On one of the funnels I've got a life jacket. I only had a set with 1 life jacket. There's a life jacket hanging on the funnel. Now you've got, should I show you the inside? The lifeboats are nice there. I thankfully only found one Lego paddle. See, found that one for that big lifeboat. Then we've got 4 lifeboats in the boat. I just made them big enough for all the people that I've got. More lifeboats. Right, now the lifeboats have been taken off. Next up, the funnels will be taken off. The funnels can just go here and here. I don't think I will be breaking it and then building it, because if I start it now, it's gonna take like a very long time. I need to concentrate. So if I do it like at like about 5 o'clock, I have to finish it in the morning, next morning. So the first set you would want, what you would see is the best part. The driver's bit. Can't you see the driver's bit? There you go. Oh, look, really. And then you get. You know what? I'll put next time I might build a cruise liner. Even better. Let's turn the music off. Best not turn the background off, but I couldn't really do a lot, but I tried my best to all this stuff, food, baths, toilets, bathrooms, and all sorts. And then I'm just gonna see if I can take this off. I hope I don't tear it all apart and then video will be wrecked. I'll have to delete it, fortunately, if it gets wrecked. But looks like we're lucky this time. Right, I've took this off. That bit of the. Thankfully, I've not broke it. Oh, I know now why I've not broke it. Right, here you have it. The underneath, they have the bulkheads. You know the bulkheads where it stops it from flooding each side. And then you've got like a cargo box. A Lego set. Just has like a radio in it. Just radio. Put that in the cargo bit. Let's click this bit back on. Perfect. Right, that's done. Just click these back on now. It's really good what I'm happy what I've got. Fortunately, some of my sets broke and that was bad then. Fortunately, they did break. One time my set broke. I had a Lego town. I even built my own Lego town once. I used instructions once, and then if they break, if I can't find the instructions, that means I can't build it, obviously. So that's them two funnels done. One more. That one. Now we put the bolts back on. Don't forget, one goes there, other one goes there. That one obviously has to go there. I did have an ice pick, but it was too delicate. Right, see, there you go. That's it all attached up. So then I've got this bit here. For the people to go off. My other boats was skinny in that. So now, thankfully, it's not 10 minutes yet. Let me just have a look. I made my own Lego holder for my Lego, for the phone, my own thing. So now here we go. We've got Lego sword, samurai sword here, the ninja set. And then I have, just make up these people. Like this guy could be like a bad guy or prisoner or something. And then let's say I've got 2 army people here. Too bad I don't have 2 men, it's like another 2. Something like that. Here's my other yacht. I built a yacht, but then it broke, unfortunately. But guess what? It floats. You know how? Look, it's plastic. This bit here is plastic. But I didn't know you could actually pull that off. I thought I was gonna. Oh no, broke it. Well, I've got 2 boats. Then we've got this car. Wait. Here's this car, right? Too bad I can't. I've got a roof, thankfully. I've not got any stereo, and it's just like that. There was a special piece for a Lego set. I was just like, every time you just get so happy. Mum got me the most expensive set I've even got. all the Lego sets I've got. That Lego set was about £40 or £50. Very expensive from an actual toy shop, not a charity shop or something, because don't believe what you get. You have to look. When you're in a charity shop, you have to look first. If it's like a box, you have to look if they got all the pieces, because in a toy shop, they built it. So this is what happens, right? Lego is just simple. It's just a plastic brick. It's like, it comes in boxes and that. These round little tiny plastic pieces, and then you get molded into a piece, like a cup. There's so many Lego pieces you can get. There's so many. You can get little tiny cups like these pieces here. These are really rare ones, because I don't get a lot of them. I don't get a lot of sets with these types, like swords and all the other things. I've had a couple of sets. But they broke. Right, I can tell you what's the difference. This is a Lego person. This is a, you know, from the cafe, Neighbour's Cafe. They're different. This one's from blocks. This is it's similar like that, but look, they're just different. One's taller than the other. Can't you see? This guy's a ninja. He had a mask. It was just in B&Q, like there was a box in it, and it was just like toys in it, and then maybe asked the guy if he could have it, so look. There he is. It looks long, but it's not really long. It's actually about a little tiny bit longer than him. He's a ninja. I lost his mask. I got a good one with him. And there's so many different types. So this guy here, and this guy, they're all different. This is Lego, this is blocks, and this is another type of blocks. But Lego's loads better. It's like awesome. They more stick on properly. So what? So the ship was there. I just it was by myself. Okay, what do you think? Like pickup truck. Tried my best with it. No, I've been thinking, what does it look like? What ties in that? Pickup truck. Next time we go to Namibia, Dad said we would need one, because it's gonna be bumpy, especially if we go like. There's gonna be loads of places where we want to drive in some places, like all sorts. It's gonna be bumpy. There is roads, but it will be bumpy some places. This is how wide my Titanic would be. This wide. But look how wide this bit is. I hope you can see, but it's wider and bigger. And probably the same size, but higher, I think. Higher. This was a motorbike, but unfortunately it looks like it broke. So it was on a police set. That also broke. Yeah, well, it didn't break on purpose. When we moved over here, you remember that that's on my mum's channel. It's on my mum's channel, and when we moved over here, we had the big van. I put it in an orange bag, the whole Lego set, all the pieces. Like the big yacht I had, but it was £50, but then it broke. Here's a piece of it. That's the piece. Put it in there thinking that it was going to be safe. What was I thinking? I could have just put it on my knee while in the van, and then it would be perfect. I could still have a Lego City right here, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. Wait, I found my piece from it now. Found it. That piece goes there. That piece goes there. And there you go. And then could have been great, but unfortunately the bad thing happened, unfortunately, because my set broke. Now I'm just gonna have to keep this ship safe, and it's gonna be a risky time. I want to build a Lego town, and that all them pieces on that ship is what I need. So it's a matter of breaking it or saving it. But someday it will get, it will break someday when I won't want it to be built. I just hope there's enough pieces in there to make a house, just a house there.
And I had one here. Oh, anyway, it's got tomato sauce on it.
We're coming in now, so bye there. Right, so I'm gonna be finishing the video up now. So I just forgot. Perfect. Now it can go up and down. I'm gonna have to build a farm someday. So I hope you liked this video. Subscribe below. Bye. Press that button below. And stay safe and stay at home.